What's up, guys? So just a little quick tech tip nobody talks about that much is how MPPL can help you on your bike, especially if you ride a lot, if you've got an older bike, if you wash a lot. A lot of people don't keep this around, and this stuff is great. So basically, after you have your bike and everything washed, chain lubed, everything cleaned, take some of this stuff and hit all your pivot points, like hit especially your foot peg pins. Those are big. You get some sand and grit in there. There's no grease or anything on them, so this will help keep them working great. If you have a steel frame and you have any spots where the paint's rubbed off, hit it with this stuff. It'll help it. You can put this on two-stroke exhausts. It'll help it. Basically, any place where you have metal-to-metal contact, spray some of this MPPL right on there. This is going to help everything work better, guys. Definitely keep a can of this stuff around. It's similar to PB Blaster. A lot of you guys know that, but the stuff's great. It just it stops rust. It displaces water. It's good for fogging oil and helps corroded parts. Some of my favorite.